VB So there's all ending in no. All right. This is VB. It provides vitamin B. So that is a multivitamin, another type of it. So you know the function of multivitamins to help the animals eat better. And once they eat better, you know what happens to the skin. They look good, they look clean, they look healthy, and you're happy as a farmer yourself. So this is it. Also 100 ml of it. So let's start with our pigs as usual. So if you're giving to pigs, for every 23 kilograms of body weight, you give 5 ml of this. Okay, so this it means but don't just 20 times, this one should be finished. So every 23 kilograms of body weight, you give 5 ml of this. Sharp. Alright, so let's say if you give this VB to your animals as multivitamins, what the animal stands to gain? First is it helps to build them so they can withstand diseases. It also helps boost the weight gain of your animal. So if you want the animals to also increase in weight, giving this to your animal will help the animal to feed more. And once they feed more and the food is really nutritious enough, they get all the nutrients from them. Because this vitamin B helps them to absorb all the nutrients they will need from the feed and then to utilize it to gain the weight you want. So it helps in the effective feed conversion rate. Okay, so the feed conversion, to make the video about it already, it is the amount of feed that the animal will have to take to give just 1 kg of body weight. So if you have a good conversion rate, it means the animal is growing very well for you and your feed cost is not going in vain. It will definitely pay off one day. And again, this one is also produced in November 2023, but it is to expire in November 2027. Again, Francis didn't make a mistake this time around. I still have about 2 years ahead of me to exhaust this. Hey, Jubali Agrotech. This one too, no syringe. Huh? No syringe again. Jubali, just help us. Let the company add something to it for us, at least. It will save us 1 cedi, 2 cedi syringe cost. Okay, so this is it. This you don't have to shake. You just draw. And this also is given via the muscles intramuscularly or in the veins. But in the veins, it's nobody that was good at the vein injection. And the veins too, usually it is used on a cow and sheep and as well as goats. Those are the one we target their veins. How do you go to look for veins in a pig? You struggle with it. So for pigs in the muscles, you should be fine with it. So that is it. Also, there's nothing like withdrawal period. So this, even if you give today, tomorrow you can start consuming product from the animal and nothing will happen to you. Multivitamins. So even humans will also like the multivitamins. And the shelf life, meaning how long this medication should last, is just 4 years. So 2023 to 2027. So basically, this is also vitamin B complex provider, a form of multivitamins. So in all, on the 21st of October 2024, I went to buy myself a dewormer, which is ivermectin, VB, which is multivitamins, sulfonol, which is used to treat diarrhea and cholera as well as coughing and vomit in animals, and tetranol, a kind of antibiotic for my farm. I think, yeah, this 30 cedis, this 35, and then 40 cedis. Yeah. And the good thing is that they are all expiring in the next 3 years, 2027. So I still have more time to use this before they go waste. So, tetranol, take note. Ivanol, BVNol, sulfonol, take note. The nono, I'll make a video explaining the nono to you. Okay, so you don't have to worry to know the meaning of the nono added. It's something I'll tell you very soon in another video. Let's keep supporting each other in our journey. Pig farming is very stressful, but let's also try to find some fun in there as we go about our daily activities. Jubali Agrotech, please, you have done a good job with the Ivanol, but please, tetranol, sulfonol, VBNol, you have not included any syringe or any additional package. Please look into it for us and help us.